With the emergence of big tech, it's amazing what you can order off the internet. Just think, Amazon might be dropping packages in our backyard with drones in no time flat. But today, a true revolution has come across our table and into our mailbox and eventually into my stomach. Yes, we are talking about food from Amazon. Unlike most of our videos previous to this one, we will be reviewing a food product. In this case, Old Wisconsin Snack Sticks, brought to you by my mother, who understands that as a college student who's trying to stay healthy, I'd like to intake protein rather than cookies from Festival Foods. That's right, Mom, this saved me 2,600 calories. And on that positive note, roll the intro! Now it's time to chow down and actually get into the meat sticks, realizing that I've misplaced this package. You can now see that the label clearly says Old Wisconsin Snack Stick. But what you can't read, I will read for you. This is best used by 0405 of 20. And considering I received this package in September, wow, that's a feat of ingenuity. Moving on from that, the ingredients list. This has beef, mechanically separated turkey, salt. Wait. Beef, and then mechanically separated turkey, salt, period. Now I'm not sure if mechanically separated foods are your thing, but personally, I prefer my food to separate itself organically. And with that, we will move on. This contains 2% or less of corn syrup, solid spices, dextrose, lactic acid, starter culture, natural flavors, sodium, and garlic powder, sodium nitrate. A potassium sorbate solution is added to protect the quality. But you know what, my friends? What's best about this? It's gluten-free. And with that, we'll move on to the nutrition facts because, as a health-conscious person, you're probably wondering, how many of these snack sticks can I put down before I start putting on the extra pounds? Well, considering these are only 90 calories, you can eat one for every 9 minutes of jumping jacks that you do, because jumping jacks, on average, burn about 10 calories a minute. And compared to your average Oreo, well, 1.5 snack sticks is the equivalent of 2 double stuffed Oreos. There you go. They're healthy. With that, we'll actually cut in and see what these meat sticks have to offer. There is a label on top that says, cut top of bag, leave in jar, do not display in direct sunlight. We're good. And serving tongs provided in jar when applicable. Now I'd like to think that me having these beef sticks says that this is an applicable time, but there are no tongs in here. Well, 2 packages of meat. There's a little condensation in here. I think that's because I was outside and it was freezing and walking in the cold weather. If you need to dry out your meat sticks to make sure that they don't become moldy, you can use some dry and dry silica gel packets. See in a video over in this corner. That corner. Perfect. Moving on. Now, I wouldn't be a good YouTube reviewer if I didn't actually try the product. So, we will carefully... Wow, that looked really well. Cut into the packaging. And now realize that these do have to be refrigerated now that I've actually opened them. Side note. And see, what does a 90 calorie meat stick taste like? Well, I wonder if we can actually get the crunch. You know when you have a Slim Jim? When you pop into a Slim Jim, it makes that. Let's see if I can get that on camera for you. We're gonna make this happen. The meat stick resembles a Harry Potter magic wand, if that's your sort of thing. It was Halloween, but here, let's take a look-see. That definitely made the crunchy sound. And if you're into the ASMR crackling of a meat stick, more power to you. What you should do, don't subscribe to this channel because that probably won't happen again in the future. But what you should do is subscribe if you like funny tech-related humorous videos filmed by 4 college students trying to alleviate getting real jobs. Aside from that, drop a like on the video because wow, it's hard to do a review of a package of meat sticks sent to you in the mail. I really don't know how much these cost, but you can find out for yourself by clicking in the link in the description. Sorry, shouldn't talk with my mouth full. Anyways, that's all for today's video. Bird out.